Have you ever wondered if there's a low-cost, natural solution to many of our health problems right in your kitchen? Expensive supplements and medications may not always be the answer. Today, we're exploring 3 incredible medicinal spices that are not only budget-friendly, but also scientifically proven to deliver amazing health benefits. From controlling blood sugar to reducing anxiety, and even brightening your skin, these spices are nature's gift to us. One of them even outperforms popular antidepressant drugs. Stick around until the end, where I'll share a simple way to combine all 3 for maximum impact. Let's dive in. If you're new here, we share health secrets and natural remedies to help you live your healthiest life. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more life-changing tips. Now, let's talk about these 3 powerhouse herbs and how they can improve your health starting today. Super Herb 1. Cinnamon, the blood sugar and inflammation fighter. Let's start with the first super spice, cinnamon. Known as dalchini in Ayurveda, this humble bark is a superstar when it comes to controlling blood sugar levels. What makes cinnamon so unique? Unlike most remedies, cinnamon doesn't just lower blood sugar, it addresses the root cause of diabetes, insulin resistance. Scientific studies have found that compounds in cinnamon mimic insulin, helping your cells absorb sugar more efficiently. Here's a fascinating study from Japan. Diabetic patients were split into 2 groups. One group took a placebo, while the other consumed just 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon daily. The result? After 3 months, the cinnamon group showed significantly reduced fasting blood sugar and cholesterol levels. But that's not all. Cinnamon is also a powerful anti-inflammatory herb. If you suffer from joint pain or arthritis, adding cinnamon to your daily diet can provide relief. How to use cinnamon. Add 1/2 teaspoon to your tea, coffee, or oatmeal. Sprinkle it on your yogurt or smoothies for a sweet, spicy kick. Pro tip. Always choose Ceylon cinnamon over cassia cinnamon. It's more potent, safer, and widely studied for its medicinal benefits. Check the label when you buy. It should say Ceylon cinnamon explicitly. Super Herb 2. Saffron, the sunshine spice for mood and skin. Now, let's talk about the second incredible herb, saffron, also known as Kizar. This is not just the world's most luxurious spice, it's a natural remedy for anxiety, depression, and skin health. Saffron has earned the nickname sunshine spice, and here's why. Studies show that saffron boosts your mood naturally. In fact, it's been proven to be as effective as popular antidepressant drugs, without the side effects. Did you know that 3 out of 4 people taking antidepressants experience sexual dysfunction or insomnia? Saffron does the opposite. It boosts sexual health, aids in better sleep, and even supports weight loss. But the benefits don't stop there. Saffron is a natural skin brightener, reducing hyperpigmentation by lowering melanin levels in the skin. A 2013 study confirmed that saffron significantly improves skin tone and reduces dark spots. How to use saffron. Add a few strands to warm milk or tea. Dry roast the strands for a few seconds, grind them, and mix with water for instant flavor and health benefits. Remember, just 3 to 5 strands a day are enough to reap saffron's full potential. Super Herb 3. Cardamom, the heart and digestive healer. And finally, the third herb on our list is cardamom, or elaichi. This spice is a must-have if you're dealing with high blood pressure or digestive issues like bloating and gas. Here's why cardamom is so effective. It's packed with antioxidants that lower blood pressure naturally. It's a natural diuretic, which means it helps eliminate excess water from the body, reducing the strain on your heart. In a study, patients who consumed 3 grams of cardamom powder daily for 3 months saw their high blood pressure return to the normal range. Cardamom also promotes better digestion by boosting digestive enzymes. It's even been proven to reduce stomach ulcers by 50%, and in some cases, it works better than anti-ulcer drugs. How to use cardamom. Chew 1 to 2 pods after meals for better digestion and fresher breath. Add it to tea, coffee, or desserts for a fragrant flavor boost. 2. Simple ways to enjoy all 3 herbs together. Now, you might be wondering, how do I include all these herbs in my routine without complicating my life? Here are 2 simple ways. Herbal infusion water. Take a bottle of hot water. Add 2 to 3 saffron strands, a pinch of powdered cinnamon, and 1 crushed cardamom pod. Let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes and sip this health-boosting drink throughout the day. Golden spice mix. Equal parts cinnamon, saffron, and cardamom powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of this mix to your tea, milk, or smoothie daily. Both methods are inspired by Ayurvedic traditions and deliver the combined benefits of these incredible spices. So there you have it, 3 medicinal herbs that are not only affordable and easy to find, but also scientifically backed to improve your health. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.